Ready?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I haven't done this in years. Oh.
I had to make sure my boogers were gone because you're filming this.
No boogers for YouTube.
No.
All right, this
No snow boogers.
This feel good. Back up in Mount Hood once again. Today we're Nordic skiing, aka cross-country skiing. I've only done this once, and it was at the beginning of 2021, end of 2020. So I'm not that well versed in this type of winter sport, but it's gonna be fun nonetheless. And you guys remember Katrina, my sister? She's working on getting her skis on, but we're gonna shred up these trails. I don't think you could consider it cross-country skiing shredding, but we're gonna hike up for a little bit and see what happens. Oh. Oh. I don't know how do you stop with skis?
You just don't.
You just don't. Oh crap. Yeah, because mostly everyone has that work schedule, so. Oh shit. I was like out of a movie. I just fell like straight head on into this big pile of snow here. I got cocky and I was like, oh, I know how to turn now. I got this. And I couldn't turn, so I went straight into the pile of snow. Oh, shit. All right, we're good. It's April, it's mid-April, but we're still going strong here. Here in Mount Hood. 6 months a year. 6 months a year of snow sports. Not a bad trade-off for all the rain. Oh no, this is fast. Woo! Woo! That was a good hill. I felt like a real downhill skier for a second. This one's steep. We gotta bomb it. Skiing's hard. This is way harder than snowboarding. Whoa! Woo! Yeah. Yes. That was sick. Well guys, back in my truck now. That was extremely fun. Right now we're going to we're gonna head to another Nordic center, do another quick trail, grab some lunch, and then my sister Katrina is actually gonna be heading down the mountain. And tonight I'm gonna be truck camping up here because I'm going snowboarding in the morning. So I might as well just spend the night up here. You guys might remember this place. Early in the year I snowshoed here. This is the first place I snowshoed. Mount Hood is usually up there. You can't really see it. He's behind the clouds, but sick views nonetheless. Oh shit. There's some kind of like pipe here. Not ideal. Cool view back there.
Oh yeah, that'll be nice on the way down.
Yeah. Well, folks, we have reached the end of the road because we're not going to climb up that right now. It's pretty late in the day. I'm getting hungry for a nice cheeseburger at the lodge, which is what we're going to go do. If I could turn around.
Beautiful day, have fun.
Yeah, you too. I'm going to try it.
Yeah, go for it.
I'm going to yeet.
Go for it.
All right, guys, we're yeeting right now. Oh, it is really coming down now, guys. It's gonna be quite the snowy evening spent in the truck. Wow. Here's the Timberline Lodge where we'll be eating, hopefully. Wow, this is cool. Nice and warm. Never actually been in here. It's really cool.
Absolutely, I appreciate you double checking on that. So I'll do a double check in about 15 to 20. We are.
Ski bums back in the day. All right, folks, I ended up finishing up my chili. My sister and I, we parted ways. It was a really good day out cross-country skiing. The snow was amazing. I just got to my spot. I actually drove down the mountain about 8 miles or so from the top where we were. And so it's not as snowy here. As you can see, it's still cold and it's still snowy. I was gonna sleep up there, but I've already spent the night at all the spots up there so many times. So I figured that we'd switch it up, go a little bit down the mountain somewhere new. It's not completely new. Some of you guys might remember, I filmed here once before in the Slumber Queen, but I haven't been back since. And this is a much more isolated and remote area of the mountain. Yeah, tonight we're just gonna be chilling. It's pretty early, and that was kind of a late lunch. It wasn't even a lunch. It was like 5 something when we ate that chili, and it was a big bowl. I don't think I'm probably not gonna cook anything, at least until later. I'm not gonna cook on the tailgate. I have a couple things to just heat up inside of the actual truck, and we'll see where the night goes. All of this on my truck right now, all of this is actually ice. It looks like, well, it's dirt obviously, but there's also this coating of ice like everywhere. Well, this is snow, but down here is ice, and it's kind of strange. I don't know exactly how that happened. Oh no. Oh, okay, there we go. Wait. Is this thing frozen shut? What? Really? Hold on. This handle usually just pops out. I don't know if it's like frozen. Like it won't open for some reason. Is it it usually just comes off. Let's try something here. See if we could just pull it. No, this isn't good. Oh, there we go. What the heck? That was a close call there, guys. We almost didn't have access to our hotel room. That's weird. Very strange. Now I'm pretty sure what happened was water somehow got into the lock. Maybe not the lock itself, but like the handle presses into that housing, and I think water must have gotten in at some point, and then when we were up there and all this frozen ice accrued on my car, I think that the water inside the lock or the handle must have frozen as well, and that's why it wasn't coming off. So I just went in with a little, like, not a knife, it was a knife, a Leatherman tool, and I just kind of like pried it, and it popped open. So I think I just had to break the ice that initially had formed in there. But that was a close call. I was starting to worry. I was like, oh crap, am I gonna be able to get in there tonight? Now, somebody in the last video was actually asking about this. I don't think I've ever really explained it. I don't think. This is just it's a PVC tube, and it is a fishing rod holder. And I've just got that U-bolted down to my roof rack. But yeah, it's not a solar shower. I do kind of want to make a solar shower in the future. This is just a fishing rod holder. I just got this this new tote, and my old one, funny enough, that the canvas tent that I brought in the last video, I threw everything back into the truck, and it just, I don't know, either the poles or something heavy within that setup completely broke the bottom of my storage tub, so I had to go get a new one. I kind of like this one. It's got a nice surface here, a nice flat surface, large surface. So I'm thinking that I could use this to cook on top of if I get like a single burner or something, or just my backpacking stove. That would work good too. It would work well. It would work well too. It's just my little thermometer that I set up on the antenna, so I'm curious how cold it is. It doesn't feel too bad actually, but we'll see once this actually registers the real temperature. So I've got a question for you guys. Are you over snowy truck camping videos? Have I done enough this season? Is it time to move on to the next type of truck camping? Now, of course, there's still so much snow up here in Mount Hood, and I'm gonna continue coming up here to snowboard. And if I'm gonna be up here snowboarding, I might as well spend the night and make it 2 days up here riding, because I'm already up here. But the question is, do you want to keep seeing these snowy truck camping videos? I know I've done a lot this season. We're halfway through April here, and the snow just doesn't stop coming down up here, so it makes it hard to stop filming them. But at the same time, are you guys ready for other forms of camping content? Now, I'm excited to do more fly fishing. I'm excited to do other kinds of fishing, road tripping. I'm gonna get back on the road very soon. I know a lot of you joined the channel because I was on the road full time. As soon as the snow starts to ease up, I do have plans to be on the road, and we're gonna go far and we're gonna go long. So that's coming, I swear. But it's just so hard to leave when there's just so much good snow still. So let me know in the comments down below. Truck camping, snowy truck camping, continue, or yeah, it's about time that we just stop that. Alright folks, we have made it into the truck, which is always a nice thing after a long day outside, especially a long day outside in the snow. It just feels good to be in a nice cozy back of the truck. So we're just going to be hanging tight for a bit. If we make food, we'll make food. If not, then we won't. But I'll probably make a little something. I don't want to go to bed. I didn't eat much today at all, and calories, having a lot of calories just keeps you warm. Oh, speaking of, I want to see. So outside right now, it's 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too bad at all, really. It's actually quite toasty. You know what? I was gonna make this freeze-dried mountain house backpacking meal, but I think we're gonna keep it simple and go with a good old hot and spicy ramen noodles. We're keeping it simple tonight because that last trip we went all out with the fried chicken, and I don't want to do anything that involves too much work. Simplicity is good a lot of the time too, guys.
the morning. This window is like frozen shut and it won't open, so I can't crack it. Which means that the heater will not, I can't really run the heater right now if I can't crack the window. There we go. Gotta get creative here. Alright folks, and that is a wrap on this video. Thank you like always for watching. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. You guys go out there and go on some adventures of your own, live life, beat the status quo, y'all know the drill. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and make sure to let me know in the comments if you want the snowy truck camping videos to continue or you want them to wrap. Let me know. Alright, peace.